Going to learn about decimal to binary. Last class we have learned the different number system, that is decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Then how to convert a decimal number to binary or binary to decimal. Today we are going to learn about the decimal to binary conversion. The process for the decimal to binary conversion is divide the given decimal number by 2. Okay, divide the given decimal number by 2. Then continue the division till the number becomes 0. First remainder is LSB and the last remainder is MSB. Then we can consider one example. For example, the number 5. What is the base radix of binary? Base radix of binary is 2 because in binary numbers we are using only zeros and ones. So the base radix is 2. That's why we are dividing by 2. Suppose this is a decimal number 5. 5 is a decimal number. Then how to convert this decimal number 5 to binary? For that, divide this number divided by 2. Then repeat the division till the number becomes 0. For example, see, 5 divided by 2. What is the answer? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, answer is 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Answer is 2 and remainder is 2. Then again divide this number by 2. What is the answer? 2 by 2 is 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. What is the remainder? 0. Then again divide this 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. We cannot divide 1 by 2. The answer will be 0. The remainder will be 1. Okay. Then the first remainder is LSB. And the last remainder will be MSB. What's the MSB and LSB? MSB will be the leftmost bit and LSB will be the rightmost bit. Then what is the conversion of binary? Conversion of 5? 5 is equal to leftmost bit is the MSB. Then 1. Next, from down to up we need to write. Okay, then answer is 101. Base radix is 2. Okay, this is the binary conversion. Divide the decimal number by 2. Then repeat the division till the number becomes 0. Then the first remainder will be LSB and the last remainder will be MSB. Then write the equivalent binary number. Now we can consider one more example. How to convert this 12 decimal to binary? Then 12 divided by 2. What is the answer? 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Remainder is 0. Then again 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. What is the remainder? 0. Then 3 by 2. What is the answer? 1. What is the remainder? 1. Then again divide this 1 divided by 2. Answer will be 0. The remainder will be 1. Which will be the LSB and MSB? LSB is the first remainder. MSB is the last remainder. We need to write the number from MSB to LSB. Then what will be the answer? 1, 1, 0, 0. Base radix is 2. This will be the answer. Okay. This is the method for converting decimal number to binary. Divide the decimal number divided by 2 and write the remainder at the right side. Then repeat the division till the number becomes 0. First remainder will be LSB and the last remainder will be MSB. MSB means most significant bit, LSB is the least significant bit. We need to write the number from down to up. Then, how to convert a decimal fraction to binary? How to convert a decimal fraction to binary? Then, suppose the number is 0.36. How to convert? This is a fraction number. 0.36. 0.36 is a decimal number. Then how to convert this decimal fraction to binary? For that, we need to multiply by 2. See, 0.36 into 2. What is the answer? 0.72. Then we need to write the carry and the product separately. What is the carry? 0. What is the answer? 0.72. Carry you write here, product separately. Answer is 0.72. 0 you write here, 0.72 here. Then again this 0.72 into 2. What is the answer? 1.44. 0.72 into 2 is equal to 1.44. 1.44. Okay. Then what is the next step? 0.44 into 2. 0.44 into 2. What is the answer? 0.88. 0.88. Then next 0.88 into 2. What is the answer? 1.76. 1.76. You write 4 times. That is enough. Then here first remainder will be, first carry will be MSB. Last carry will be LSB. That is from down to and from up to down. Then what will be the answer? What will be the conversion? 0.36 base radix 10 is equal to we need to put 0 from here. 0, 1, 0, 1. What is the base radix? 2. Base radix is 2. That is for converting fraction, decimal fraction to binary. We need to divide, we need to multiply by 2. That is, here the number is 0.36. Then 0.36 into 2. Write the carry and product separately. The answer is 0.72. Write separately 0.72. Then when you are next multiplying, we don't want to take this carry. You just take this product only. Then 0.7, next step 0.72 into 2. Answer is 1.44. Next this 0.44 into 2. Answer is 0.88. Then 0.88 into 2. Answer is 1.76. Then carry is the answer. But here MSB, first carry is MSB and the last carry is LSB. Then we can write 0.36 is equal to 0.0101 base radix 2. Okay, like that we can convert the number. One more example. Point 188. 0.188 to binary. Then first step is 0.188 into 2. 0.188 into 2. Answer is 0.376. 0.376. Then multiply 0.376 into 2. Okay, 0.376 into 2 is equal to 0.752. 0.752. Then what is the next step? 0.752 into 2. 0.752 into 2 is equal to 1.504. 1.504. Then one more step. 0.504 into 2 is equal to 1.008. So the answer is, from which one will be the MSB? First carry will be the MSB and the last carry is MSB. Last carry is MSB. Okay. Then what will be the answer? 0.0011. 0.0011 is the answer. Okay. That is for decimal to binary conversion. If it is a normal number, if it is not a fractional number, we need to divide by 2. Then till the number becomes 0 and the first remainder is LSB and the last remainder is MSB. But in the fractional, how to convert fractional decimal to binary means we need to multiply the number by 2. We need to multiply by number 2. We need to write the carry and product separately. Then the first carry will be the MSB and the last carry will be the LSB.